there hasn't been a restoration to this degree for the past 100 years. We like to say we're trying to set it up for the next 100 years.
We have an irrigation component, a golf construction component, we have a drainage component, grassing, bunker construction. You know, there are all these different moving pieces, and we all have to work together and coordinate that effort.
The collaboration out here is pretty epic.
We are in the lovely state of Minnesota, and we're in the Twin Cities. Interlachen Country Club started back in 1909. We have 18 holes on property and practice area, driving range, as well as a short game chipping area. In the late teens, they hired Donald Ross to take a look at the course. Eventually, he did design what we're standing on today. It was sobering standing up in front of the membership and letting them know there was an opportunity to improve their golf course. To regrass so that we can have modern cultivars of grasses that require less inputs, such as water, fertilizers, plant protectants, and really set ourselves up so that we can reduce water usage, increase playability, and set the course up for years to come. We've known about this renovation for the past 2.5 years, and so I used that time to deploy a lot of tests so that I could utilize procedures, methods, materials that I feel is going to be best for Interlachen, and learn things along the way. So we had 10 different cultivars of bent grass growing on site. We actually built a green in the construction method that we wanted to try, a modified depth green construction, as well as the root zone mix to the different grasses, to even drip irrigation on bunker faces. We had that time to test, and it gave us a lot of confidence as we went forward with such a scaled renovation as we have here.
Often when we're thinking about a renovation project, I'll get a question that often is like, well, we probably don't need all of our maintenance staff, right? We could temporary layoff or something. I'm like, no. That's the most important time that you need a full staffed maintenance department, because not only on the beginning stages and kind of getting ready for the work and understanding where things are that we have to avoid, but during construction to understand where all the pieces and parts are going, so that when the golf course is done and they're maintaining it, there's a lot of critical infrastructure that the maintenance team needs to know how it operates.
No one is more passionate about this golf course than our team, and keeping them involved throughout this process not only gets the spirits up amongst the contractors and other teammates, but moving forward, they're going to know why things were done in certain manners.
The great thing is having partners with the Golf Course Builders Association, they know how to put those pieces together. Working hand in hand, they'll help you see how the pieces fit together.
We say it looks like organized chaos, because it is. There's a bunch of people doing a bunch of different tasks. You can hear noise in the background, equipment moving. You come back an hour later and it's a completed bunker or a built tee or a finished green or a raked off fairway.
Surround yourself with the best people that you can, the best contractors you can, and then get out of their way.
This place has a tremendous foundation. Just the property itself is spectacular. It's one of a kind. I've told members that if I had every ounce of dirt in the world in a big sandbox, I don't think I could create as interesting a piece of ground as they have here. And the golf holes fit on the ground so beautifully. It's just an amazing place.